Listen closely because I'm about to reveal 7 items currently hidden in her purse that will expose everything you need to know about whether she's cheating. I understand what women carry, what we conceal, and most importantly, the true significance of these items. Tonight, while she's showering or asleep, you can uncover the truth. These aren't obvious clues like condoms or love letters. These are everyday items with concealed meanings understood only by women. At least 3 of these are present in every cheating woman's purse right now. The longer you delay checking, the more the evidence vanishes. Women are clever. We regularly clean out our purses, especially when we have something to hide. But here's the most important part. You have to watch until item number 6, because that's the one item that 99% of cheating women carry without even realizing it's evidence. Item 6 is the smoking gun that she can't explain away no matter how clever she thinks she is. Before I reveal all 7 items, smash that subscribe button because what I'm about to tell you could save you years of being played. Hit the like button if you're ready to know the truth that most women would never share with you, and drop a comment telling me what city you are watching from. It's shocking how many men worldwide are being deceived right now and don't even know it. Item number 1, the backup device hidden in plain sight. If you suspect your partner is cheating, there are certain things hidden in her purse that could confirm your suspicions. First, look for a hidden second phone. This could be an older smartphone, a basic burner phone, or a device she claims is for work or emergencies. A cheating partner knows her main phone is too risky due to notifications or your potential to ask to use it. The backup device allows her to compartmentalize her affair, keeping it separate from her real life and safe from discovery. However, a smart cheater might avoid a second phone altogether and instead leave a paper trail. Item number 2 to look for is receipts that don't align with her stories. Women often save receipts in their purses, and if she's cheating, she might forget to discard evidence of where she's truly been. Look for restaurant receipts from places you've never been together, especially receipts showing purchases for 2 people when she claimed to be alone. Check for coffee shop receipts showing 2 drinks, meal receipts with appetizers and desserts that suggest a romantic dinner, or receipts from stores and areas she has no reason to visit. Pay attention to the dates and times on these receipts. Do they match what she told you she was doing? If she said she was working late, but there's a dinner receipt from 7:00 p.m., that's a red flag if she claimed to be shopping alone. But bought 2 movie tickets, that's evidence of deception. The most damaging receipts are for lingerie, perfume, or clothing that you've never seen her wear. She's buying these items specifically for someone else to see, not you, but receipts can be thrown away. This next item is something she carries every day without thinking. Item number 3, the protection plan. Evidence of infidelity, uncovering what she's hiding. The third crucial item to look for is contraception that doesn't align with your relationship. While condoms in her purse when you don't use them are an obvious red flag, the evidence is often more subtle. Pay close attention to extra birth control pills, emergency contraception, or new and unfamiliar intimate products. This also extends to lubricants, feminine hygiene products, and travel-sized items that suggest preparation for intimate encounters outside the home. The underlying psychological reason for this is a fear of responsibility. A woman having an affair wants to avoid an unexpected pregnancy she'd have to explain. Her careful preparation, ironically, becomes proof of her betrayal. Observe quantities that don't make sense for your usual level of intimacy, new brands she's never used before, and any items hidden in the interior pockets of her purse. The next item is even more revealing, as it hints at her emotional state. Item number 4, the quick fix kit, touch-up betrayal. The fourth item to look for is an excessive amount of cosmetics and freshening products. This isn't just her normal makeup. This is a complete refresh kit designed to remove evidence and restore her appearance after intimate encounters. The most telling sign is makeup in shades. She doesn't wear around you lipstick, colors. You've never seen eye makeup that's more dramatic than her usual style, or nail polish that she only seems to wear when she's not with you. This behavior stems from guilt and the need to cover tracks after being intimate with someone else. She needs to remove their scent, refresh her appearance, and return to you looking exactly as she did when she left. The preparation and cleanup requires specific products that she wouldn't normally carry, but this next item will shock you because it's something innocent that becomes evidence. Item number 5, the secret treasures gifts she can't explain. The fifth item to look for are small gifts, jewelry, or sentimental objects that didn't come from you. You might find these items hidden in small compartments or mixed in with her regular belongings, as she may be unable to bring herself to discard them. Be on the lookout for jewelry you didn't purchase for her, especially pieces she never wears around you. Check for small souvenirs from places she claims she's never visited, greeting cards or notes tucked into wallet compartments or keychains, and small trinkets with sentimental value but unknown origins. The most concerning discovery is finding items that suggest an ongoing romantic involvement. This could include recent cards, fresh flowers pressed in her wallet, or jewelry that shows signs of regular wear, even though you've never seen her wear it. The sixth and most damning item, the smoking gun that she never realizes betrays her, is access codes to her secret life. Look for keys or access cards that don't correspond to any place you're aware of. This could include keys to an apartment or house that aren't yours, hotel key cards, gym membership cards for facilities she doesn't belong to, or office access cards for buildings where she doesn't work. Keys represent something much more serious than casual encounters. Having keys means she has regular private access to someone else's space. It suggests an ongoing relationship with a level of trust and intimacy that goes beyond physical attraction. This is the smoking gun because keys indicate relationship progression. Someone doesn't give another person keys to their private space unless they trust them and want them to have ongoing access. If she's carrying keys to places you don't know about, she's living a double life with someone who considers her important enough to share their most private spaces. This final item is the cruelest because it shows she's already planning her future without you. Item number 7, the future files. Evidence of her exit strategy. The seventh and final item to look for are documents, brochures, or plans that suggest she's preparing for a life without you. This could be apartment listings, job applications for positions in other cities, legal documents about divorce or separation, or travel plans for trips that don't include you. Look for business cards from divorce attorneys, brochures from apartment complexes, job postings she's printed out, or bank documents showing she's opening accounts in her name only. Check for travel itineraries, vacation planning materials, or event tickets for dates when she'll be with someone else. The most painful discovery is finding evidence that she's making long-term plans with another person. Vacation bookings for 2 apartment applications with someone else's income listed. Savings plans that don't include your financial future together. This behavior indicates that she's not just having an affair, she's planning her exit strategy, she's preparing to leave you, and these documents are her roadmap to a future that doesn't include you. I want you to be honest. Have you already seen any of these items and ignored them? Drop a comment with just the number. If you found any of these things but didn't want to believe what they meant, sometimes we see the truth but aren't ready to accept it. If this video opened your eyes to what's really in her purse, make sure to subscribe because I reveal women's secrets that could save your relationship or save you from wasting more time in the wrong one. Hit that like button if you appreciate the brutal honesty and share this with a friend who might need to see it. Remember, trust what you find, and more importantly, trust yourself enough to act on it. Check tonight, but be prepared for what you might discover. The truth isn't always what we want to hear, but it's always what we need to know.